responded to a report of a boat that was traveling in circles with nobody inside it. The person who called didn't know where the boat operator was. First engine company went to the point last seen, which was New Point subdivision. They spotted the boat, and they were also found subject in the water on the opposite side of the creek. So as he was operating the boat, the throttle got stuck and he was tossed from the boat. It was the first watercraft to get there, located the boat and the operator, picked up the operator, and he climbed on the jet ski with me, and we waited for DNR and Beaufort police boat to get there, and they secured the boat.
Think about that one.
This him right here.